5 high-income skills that can make you up to $50,000 in 2024. That means by the end of 2024, you have a great chance of grossing over $50,000 with these skills. Now, it is very, very important to pay attention to the skills I'm about to talk about and how to apply them. Knowing these skills will not save you from the global economic crisis that is being predicted. Probably a speculation, right? But chances are it might definitely happen. But having to master these skills and knowing how to apply it will give you a chance to work in economic freedom, financial freedom. And that's what you really want. If you don't want to struggle through this year, you don't want to have issues trying to jump from one employment, looking for the next employment, who will hire me next, and how to figure all of those financial crises out, then you want to pay close attention to the end of this video. And of course, pay close attention to the end of this video. You won't just learn about these 5 high income skills that can make you this amount of money this year, but of course, you also gain clarity on how to execute. And of course, at the end of this video also, I'll be announcing access into my private Telegram community where you get to learn amazing information about how to make money online from me. So you need to sit tight and watch through this video. Of course, feel free to like this video and subscribe and join my YouTube channel community. Now let's talk about it in order of preference. Now, I said 5 high income skills, but actually I'm going to talk about 5 high income skills and talk about business models that you can use this skill to kickstart and set up for yourself as a solo entrepreneur. So they call it solopreneur. The first high income skill is sales and marketing. And just before you scream, hey, I already know it, listen to this part. Sales and marketing is one of the most powerful skill sets anyone on the planet right now can possess. With this singular skill set, you literally can create multiple streams of income. Let's talk about it a bit. So sales and marketing encompasses a couple of things, especially when we talk about it in line with running an online business. When we talk of sales and marketing, and just before I continue, we are going to create 2 sections, the skills section and the business section. So you have a section for skills, you have a section for businesses, just like a tabular section. So the number 1 item on your list is sales and marketing. And in sales and marketing, with that singular skill, you can do multiple businesses, and I'm going to tell you 2 top business models you can build with this skill that can make you a lot of money every single month, at least $5,000 to $10,000 every month. That will probably gross over $50,000 by the end of the year. Okay, so let's break it down. If you want to master sales and marketing, there are functional sub-unit skills you have to master. Number 1 is copywriting. You need to understand how to write to sell. Copywriting is basically writing to sell. Know how to create articles, content that when people read it, they are moved from getting to know about the product to actually paying for the product. Number 2 skill, sub-skill under sales and marketing, is understanding Facebook and Google ads. These 2 ad platforms are very powerful and can help you drive a lot of traffic to any product at all. Number 3 is sales funnel design. Knowing how to create sales funnels and all of those frameworks that will help you sell any kind of product is still under sales and marketing. Number 4, which is another most important part, is email marketing. Knowing how to write emails that will get people to buy a product. And number 5 is WhatsApp marketing. You probably haven't heard about WhatsApp marketing a lot, or have you? WhatsApp marketing right now is one of the most powerful systems of selling products that can help you close sales faster. But all of these things are sub skills under the category of sales and marketing. And if anybody should walk up to me right now, any part of the world, and ask me, Joshua, what is the basic skill or the first skill you're going to recommend anyone to learn? As a teenager, as a young person, as an probably retired person, right? I'm always going to recommend you learning sales and marketing. Now let's talk about what you can do with sales and marketing. There are a lot of things you could do with sales and marketing. You can work in a real estate company, you can be a realtor, you can sell digital products, you can be a lot of things. You can work literally anywhere in the world. You can work in a manufacturing company, you can lead a manufacturing company, you can lead product launches, you can literally do a lot of things with just this single skill set. In fact, in my own terms, I call it the power skill that every person on the universe, in this universe right now, needs to have. But let's talk about the 2 top business models you can do with this skill set in the year 2024 that will help you make a lot of money. Number 1 business is running a digital agency. If you've mastered this skill, what you have to do is to offer it as a service to entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. They are coaches, they are platforms who are looking to advertise their products, who are looking to scale their sales revenue trade for their product and businesses. And by the time you walk into their businesses and create a commission-based system where you help them to make sales and charge them a particular percentage for every single sale, I know a lot of individuals who are running digital agencies like this who are grossing over $20,000 every month on commission-based system. So what they do is that they come in, help you close sales for your product and service, and charge you commission for each single sale. That's how powerful it is. Number two business model you could do with this is affiliate marketing. I mean, I've talked about it a couple of times on my YouTube channel. You could see a lot more videos about affiliate marketing. With sales and marketing, you could literally pick up anyone's product and sell it for them and make a commission off it. Of course, you see a commission-based system. But amazingly, with sales and marketing, you can as well sell your own product, your own digital product, your own physical product, and make a lot of money from it because you basically know how to generate traffic, that is running Facebook ads and Google ads. You already know how to build your funnels. You already know how to generate these sales using funnels. You already know how to write email content and get them to buy from emails. You already know how to close them on WhatsApp. You are literally a superhuman being at this stage, right? Because you could do a lot more with this skill, whether for yourself or for other businesses, and make a lot of money. So this is like the number one power skill I would recommend anyone to learn and master in 2024. However, if you want to master it and you are still finding it difficult, how do I learn this? How do I learn this? There is a link on the description of this video, or you could click a link showing on your screen now, www.funnelhackers.club/pre-order. You start a chance to pre-order one of the most amazing programs called Full Stack Sales Funnel Engineering Program, where you get to learn everything about sales and marketing and how to build funnels, both for yourself and for the agency level. The second skill is Forex and crypto trading. This skill is very, very important. With this, of course, you will learn how to trade the Forex market and trade the crypto market. But the amazing thing about this skill that I must tell you, especially young people who are working in the desperation to make a lot of money, is also very important to know that you could make a lot of money from the Forex and crypto market, and at the same time you lose a lot of money within a second. I've traded the crypto market and the Forex market myself. I've made money, I've lost a couple of millions in the market, and I've also made more in the market. But overall, your ultimate goal as a trader is to make more profit than your losses. Every trader across the world at some point will definitely lose money to the market, but with a proper what is called risk management, proper strategy, and proper psychology, these three core things, you should be able to stay profitable in the market. But before you start executing with Forex and crypto trading, you have to know this. You need to have an income stream that can fund your trading portfolio. You don't trade with $0, zero kobo. You need something that gives you money for you to trade the market. I've seen Forex traders who were making thousands of dollars, and in one single trade, because of greed or carelessness or one little mistake, they didn't set their stop loss, they lost all of their trading capital. So you want to have a system that gives you income that can help you fund this. One of the amazing things that is out right now that is helping a lot of traders fund, especially Forex traders, fund their account, is what they call prop firm. But in this video, I'm not going to dive into all of these things, but they are prop firm. Prop firms are basically platforms that will provide you with funded account and allow you to trade with their money and share the profits with you. So most people who are starting out new, who don't have a lot of money to trade the market, probably 5,000, 15,000, 50,000, 100,000 capital, these platforms provide them with this capital and as well share the profit with them. But there are strict rules that they create that you must adhere to for you to stay profitable. Probably in a subsequent video, maybe I'll create a detailed explanation on profit platforms that you could check for if you want to start trading the Forex and the crypto market. The next skill set you must learn if you want to make this kind of money this year is video content creation. Learn how to teach people valuable things on a video like this. Record videos, create a YouTube channel. I've done a video previously on how to start a YouTube channel. It's very simple, direct to the point. Create a YouTube channel, make videos like this, teach people. You make a lot of money first by having Google AdSense pay you when people watch your video. That's just one income stream. Overall, you could literally sell any kind of product to your audience when you have built good followership. So you create amazing content, sell your own product to your subscribers, and of course get paid by YouTube AdSense program. And if you do this on TikTok, of course, TikTok has a monetization program Instagram. LinkedIn has a system that can pay you if you do it right, if you publish good content. Twitter, of course, has a monetization program. Facebook, of course, has a monetization program. So you can make a lot of money from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and across other platforms that are monetized. TikTok, of course. So creating video content will give you this leverage. So what you just need to do is to create valuable information that people seek to know or learn about and share it across these platforms. I've done an extensive video on how to do this previously on my YouTube channel. So, but if you want to learn video content creation and how to do it very well, I would like you to comment YouTube, TikTok, video content creation, and I would know that there are a lot of people want to learn it, and I'll create a special video for that. The next skill that can make you a lot of money this year and the year after is video editing. Now, a lot of people are going into making video content, both for brands, for businesses, for individuals, for platforms, and of course, the need for professional video editors is crazy in the market. People are willing to pay up to $2,000 to their video editors just to have their videos edited for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, and across all of the social platforms. And it's very, very important that you master these skills. With tools like CapCut, you can easily even create a lot of videos for these people without having to do a lot of hectic work. So Premiere Pro is there, CapCut is there, and a lot more video editing softwares out there. So if you master this skill and have at least 5 to 6 businesses you are servicing every month, if you are charging them at least $2,000 or $1,500 every month, you're already grossing up more than $10,000 every month in profit for your agency by just editing videos for these people. The last but not the least, but one of the amazing skills that you need to acquire this if you want to make this kind of money is product design and software development. So if a product designer, people are trying to build in solutions as softwares right now. A lot of solutions are going technological, whether it's AI related, automation related, different industries. All you just need to do is to be a good product designer and brand expert, because for products and software to be built, you have to hire a product designer, you have to hire software developers. And of course, if software developer, you have to sharpen your skill and get ready to work for these businesses. One of the fast growing industries in software development is the SaaS industry, where people are turning services into software. That's software as a service. Okay, so people are building services they would have offered into softwares that people can come and utilize immediately and achieve the same result they would have achieved if an individual was offering that service. And because of this, there is a rise of SaaS applications across the world today, and people are hiring software engineers, software developers, and product designers to build out this product. So having this skill will position you right to making a lot of money this period. And of course, as I will always do, I will always give you a bonus. This bonus skill set is only for the selected few who are ready to go the extra mile. It's called blockchain development. Because of the rise in demand for decentralization of currencies, the birth of cryptocurrency, thus people are now hiring blockchain developers to build several solutions on the blockchain, and the number of talents available is not even equal to the demand for developers, blockchain developers. And today, a lot of blockchain developers earn thousands of dollars every month for working for companies who need their services. And of course, if you are willing to go that extra mile to mastering blockchain development, it requires a lot of technical knowledge, understanding a lot of things from algorithm to building smart contracts and all of those stuff. Then you could take on that journey and stand a chance to making up to $5,000, $10,000 or more dollars every single month building solutions on the blockchain. But without any further ado, I'm going to end this video here. I want you to comment in the comment section, which of these skill sets are you learning in 2024 and how are you going to apply it for yourself to make a lot of money? And don't forget, in this channel, I'll keep sharing business strategies and skills and things that will help you make a lot of money and live the life of your dream. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.